Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these distressed glitter booties. If you think these are cute and you want to add them to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I use to get this look. For this project, I used a black leather boot, Modpodge, and a glitter library that I picked up from Target. It is so cute. And then I also used painter's tape. It's masking tape. It's like an artist tape in 1/8 inch. First thing I'm going to do is set the pattern by using the painter's tape and the Mod Podge. This is what the boot looks like now that the pattern has been set. I just alternated between thick and thin lines coming from the top of the boot all the way down. My next step is to paint the boot using Mod Podge and glitter. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the painter's tape is secured to the boot using a thin layer of Mod Podge. Once the Mod Podge is dry, you can start adding your layers of color. There's a lot of different ways to add the color. You could mix the Mod Podge with the glitter to make a glitter glue. You could put the Mod Podge on first and then sprinkle the glitter over it. It really depends on how much pigmentation you want to add to your surface. So this is what the boot looks like now that I've added the green glitter. I love it. I think it's so cute, and I think the Mod Podge really added that extra bit of gloss that I was looking for. I use the Mod Podge high gloss, but there's so many different like styles of Mod Podge. So whatever kind of shine you're looking for, I'm sure they have something to match it. Just kind of pick one and play with it and get an idea of the level of gloss each one offers. So out of everything that I've made, all 130 videos up until today, this was the hardest thing I've ever tried. This is where I was with the boot, but then like as you'll see in the final result, it looks nothing like this because I went ahead and changed the design. And I ended up coming up with this, which I liked a lot better. One of the problems that I ran into is that the glitter was like too thick. Um, and I just didn't like how it looked. I wanted a very thin look. And then I wanted the color scheme to be a little bit different. So this ended up turning into less of a designer dupe and more into a designer inspiration. So to get the distressed look, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your boot is heavily covered with the Mod Podge. And then when you're peeling off the tape, do not use an X-Acto knife to take off the tape. Just let it take off some of the glitter layer and you have a nice distressed look on your boot. As a reminder, this is what the boot looked like originally. So this is the final result. I love how it turned out. I really like the vibe of something high gloss and glittery, also having a bit of a distressed look. I just think it's so cute. I think this will go perfectly with jeans. I think it would look cute with a dress. I love it. I really love how these turned out. Like I said, they did not turn out how I originally thought they would turn out, but they're still so cute. I can't wait to wear these in Vegas. By the way, has anyone else been invited to Vegas like a ton of times this month? I feel like everyone just wants to go there, like just to get rid of the COVID blues. But I have been invited to Vegas like an unprecedented amount of times this year and just like within this month. So that's just like a random question. If you have been invited to Vegas a lot, comment below. I just don't know like why everyone all of a sudden wants to go there. But if you see somebody rocking these boots, that's me. And you're more than welcome to come up to me and be like, hey, I saw your video. I know the chances of that are like super low, but if you see somebody with these on, please believe it's me. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.